welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I've been super busy with work and doing stuff with friends and stuff like that. But we are back and we have the Trans Am now. I know there was a lot of hype build up to this, getting this car, and me not having the Saab anymore. The Saab's still around, but not going to be my daily driver or really drive that thing at all. Mostly just going to be my Trans Am. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy all the stuff that we're going to do next week. We're going to have some stuff going on with the Trans Am. Going to get some mods done. You'll find out what those are in the next video, and hope you guys enjoy.